Good morning, students. This is Shashi here. So, we are going to study maths, and this is your second chapter. So, once again, I would like to remind you these two formula: profit is equal to SP minus CP, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. And what is profit? When you will get profit? When you will sell in more price. SP will be more, and CP will be less. When you will sell in more price, SP is greater than CP, then there will be profit, and CP will be greater than SP, then there will be loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. This much part already we have done. Okay, and these questions we have discussed: exercise 2, question 1A, C, and this question number D also we have discussed, and I told you to solve question number 2. Okay, so one of the question I am doing for you, and rest questions you have to do on your own. Okay, it's same. This is your table. No need to make the table, just you have to see what is given. Look at here. In question number B, I am going to solve B for you. In question number B, what is given? CP is given how much? 59.50. Okay, CP is given 59.50. Then SP is given how much? See in column B. Okay, this part we have to see. Got it? So CP is given 59.50, SP is given 52.95. Now we have to find whether it is profit or loss. Now from here only you can say 52.95 is greater or 59.50 is greater. 52.95, 59.50. So 59.50 is greater, that means CP is greater than SP, isn't it? CP is greater than SP. So there will be what? There will be loss. Okay, so many times we have done. Whenever CP is greater than SP means we are buying in more and selling in less money. Look at here, we are buying in 59.50 and selling in 52.50. We are selling in less money, so there will be loss. So loss, what do we know about loss? Loss is equal to what? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, so this part will do. So what is given here? CP is given CP is given how much? Cost price is given 59.50. Okay, 59.50. And how much you are selling? Selling price is 52.95. Okay, so clearly we can see here that cost price is greater than CP is greater than SP. We are buying in more price and selling in less price, so there will be what? There will be loss. Okay, there will be loss, but how much loss? There will be loss, but how much loss we are getting? So loss is equal to what? Which one is greater? CP is greater, so CP minus SP. Now subtract it. CP minus SP. CP is given 59.50. Now subtract it. 52.95. Okay, now subtract it. How much you'll get? This 0 is here, so we'll borrow here. It will become 10. 10 minus 5, we'll get 5. Then here borrowed, here 4 is left. From 4 we cannot subtract, so again we'll borrow. It will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. Then this decimal will put, below decimal we'll put decimal. Now here it is borrowed, here 8 is left, so 8 minus 2, 6 will be there. Then here 5 minus 5, 0. So loss Finally, how much we are getting? Loss is equal to 6.55 rupees. Okay, so this is your answer. So in the same way, you'll do question number C also and question number D. B just now I have done. Okay. Now come to the next table. Find profit or loss. In this case, look at here. Cost price is given and overhead is also given. Overhead. Overhead means what? Extra money. So in how much you are buying and extra money how much you are paying after buying. That is your overhead. So that will become your total cost price, total CP. Okay. So total cost price, how do we get? This CP plus overhead both we add. Okay, both we add, that we get total cost price. Now we'll see total cost price. This part is which one is greater, either total cost price or selling price. According to that we'll decide whether it is profit or loss. Okay, then how much profit or how much loss we have to find. Okay, this type of question yesterday also we have done. Now let's see this question. Okay, so children, we are doing question number 3A. CP is given 20.75 rupees, overhead is given 2.75. Now, I told you before also that CP and overhead is your extra money. Okay, so it becomes your total CP. Total CP means total cost price, and total cost price how do we get? We add CP and overhead, both we add. So we are adding CP plus overhead. CP is given how much? 20.75. So we have written here 20.75 plus overhead. Overhead is given how much? 2.75. So 2.75 we have added. Now we are adding both of them, 20.75 plus 2.75. After adding 5 plus 5 we'll get 10. For 10 we are writing here 0. Then 7 plus 7 14, and plus 1 15 we are writing 5. Then this one is carried, so 2 and 1 is carried, so 2 plus 1 we are getting 3, and this 2 will come here. So overall total cost price we are getting 23.50. okay, 23.50 is your total cost price. Now this is your total cost price 23.50, and selling price, just see in your book, it is given 25.00. Now which one is greater? Selling price is 25.00. Selling price is 25.00 and cost price is 23.50. So selling price is greater than cost price, total cost price. So selling price is greater than total cost price, so there is a profit, means we are selling in more money, so there will be profit. Okay, now profit, how much profit we are getting, how do we find? So selling price minus cost price or total cost price. So we are subtracting selling price 25.00 minus 23.50. If we'll subtract here, look at here, we have subtracted here. Okay, so how much we'll get? This 0 will become 0 only. From 0 we cannot subtract 5, so we are borrowing, it is becoming 10. 10 minus 5 we are getting 5 here. Now below decimal we'll write here decimal. Then here 4 is left, so 4 minus 3 1, and here 2 minus 2 0. So overall how much we are getting? 1.50. okay, so this is your profit, 1.50 rupees. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Okay children, so just now we have discussed question number 3A. okay, so in the same way you'll do question number B, C and D. okay, CP is given, overhead is given, both you'll add, so you'll get total cost price. This total cost price you will get. Then you'll see whether selling price is greater or total cost price is greater. Whichever is greater, according to that you'll write. If selling price is greater than cost price, then you'll write profit. If cost price is greater than selling price, then there will be loss. Then profit is equal to SP minus CP, so you'll subtract and finally you'll get. Okay, just now I have shown you in question number 3A. So in the same way, question number B, C, D you'll do. This is your homework and previous table also. Okay, See you in the next class. I hope whatever I have discussed it is clear to you. So do your homework. Okay, see you in the next class tomorrow. Thank you.